What's going on, guys? It's Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media. I'm in the studio today with Ali Sutton, and we are shooting just some kind of colorful gelled rim light images. We kind of had an inspiration of the intro to the Disney Plus Mandalorian show with all the faces kind of going by. It started out with that. It didn't really end up like that, admittedly, but I'm just going to run through kind of what we have as our setup. So first of all, we've got a, I started out from the back forward actually. So I've got a black V flat as the background, and then on either side of that I have two white V flats with two Palsy Buff Digibs just bouncing into the white side of the background V flat, creating kind of a wraparound rim light. We started out originally with kind of a Joker color. We had the purple and the green. That was a little too just like in your face DC comic villain. So we kind of switched it up. We went with just blue and a neutral tone. We went with blue and a light blue. Now we've kind of landed on blue and a pale violet. So it's kind of in that analogous color scheme, but they are slightly different color tones. We started out originally with that beauty dish, the gridded beauty dish as the key light. And then we both decided that it actually might look a little bit better if we had a really, really focused light on her face and then have some rim light just to kind of separate her from the background. She is, after all, wearing all dark. When we made that decision, she was also wearing a black hat. So she was really, really falling into the background. So we brought that light, rather than completely switching it out, we just flipped it around, faced it towards camera as a hair light, and then we brought in a snoot just to get that really, really directional light. So I'll go ahead and kind of show you the final images we got. And again, if you have any questions or comments, leave those below. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe and follow Ready Light Media and follow Ali Sutton, and I'll see you next time.